Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandon. This is the InScentive Collection, and today we are examining Molton Brown's Discovery Kit. Okay, they have absolutely beautiful bottles, and I was thinking about purchasing them. But what's most important is the scent, not the glass. And so I wanted to get the Discovery Kit and see what we got going on. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Hopefully this is, it, and we can go ahead and start purchasing some of those bottles and really getting deeper into the experience. But for now, about the Discovery, and everything's on the back. It's about 8 fragrances or so, 8, 9. Pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this, and I can already smell it. It's pretty strong stuff. And you know what we do. I'm gonna go ahead and unsheath this thing. Okay. Yeah, it's what I like to see. Slightly yellow fragrance. Okay, so it's got a little density to it. All right, got a little density. Recharge black pepper. That's what we're looking at today. Recharge black pepper. So, before we do anything else, let's go ahead and get this in the spirit. Try it right here on the back of the wrist. A couple pumps. Whoa! Man, wow. Man, I can smell it like from here. This stuff is, wow. Hold on, that's a first. I like it. First initial burst, yeah. So let's get into it. We got fresh spice, aromatic, citrus, earthy, woodsy, mossy, fresh, and warm spice. I'm sorry, man. This fragrance is like really throwing me for a loop. In a good way, It is like got my brain glitching. So let's look into some of the notes. In the top notes, you got black pepper, lemon, ginger, coriander in the middle notes, along with basil. And in the base, you got vetiver, oak moss, and ambergris. I think it's the ginger, lemon, black pepper. That is like a trio. That is a trio, man. The oak moss is starting to come through. It smells, I think the vetiver makes it familiar, right? The vetiver is about the only thing that's like, familiar here. But it's also kind of soft and a little sweet. I'm guessing that's the coriander. Man, this is nice. I like this a lot. This is it's got like a real like grunginess to it. But not in like a unrefined way. It's a refined grungy. it's a refined grungy. Man, this is dope. The I think the vetiver, oak moss, and ambergris, the pepper, lemon, and ginger like have definitely taken a back seat. Like they're not. Man, let me tell you, that was some power. But this is blending together very beautifully. Yeah, it's starting to get into that stage in which it's all kind of doing this now. Very impressive. Very impressive. This is wonderful. I like this. Yeah, this is definitely, I mean, I could see this leaning more masculine than anything. It's definitely listed. Oh, it is listed for men, which makes sense. Lovely, lovely fragrance. I like this. If it changes up anymore, I'll definitely, add that to the video. But as of now, I'm a big fan of Molton Brown's collection. Let's see what else is in here. I'm excited. Yeah, we have a new house that we're interested in. Don't want to set the bar too high though, you know. Let's one vial at a time. But yeah, definitely get your hands on this. Let me know. Have you tried Recharge Pepper? That is the perfect name for this thing. Recharge Pepper. Because let me tell you something. When you spray that initial burst and it slaps you in the face, very nice, very nice. Recharge Pepper. I like it. I feel recharged. Yeah, but let me know in the comment section. Have you tried this? What do you think? Appreciate you so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.